Hello guys, today I will gonna show you how to install barrel barrel for free, and you will and this very nice. Make your icon page style. You can see you can see that it's very nice. It's for free. Open up Seja for it. Wait for it. And just think where the source that. Wait for it. Just click the search button. Where's that barrel? Okay, my barrel is on Big Boss. If you need to, if you do not want to purchase this, they have many. You can see the the bite your apple is working, and add the source the bite your apple. But I purchased that, and this is for free for iOS 7 and iOS 6. iOS 7 Plus repo that bite your apple dot net. Click add source. After add the source, open it up. This is for free. If you're in the big boss, it's 299. If you want to purchase, go to big boss. Okay, but this is free. Go to letter B and find the barrel, barrel. Find that barrel. You can see here. Install that. I will not install that because I already have the paid version. This is the free version. They just the same, but I purchased that. And reboot your device. After you reboot your device, open up settings. And if you want to hide the show barrel icon, don't on it on. Just do that. And this the mode. And choose random because they change when I try to go to other page, it will change. I recommend this random, not this all. You can see that it's working. It's just change, just like that. It will change later. As you can see, it will change. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Um, Request what do you want to hack and or install for free. And bye guys.